so. That if you see that the ground reality of the reaction of the people who even were away from the Congress party are coming back and strengthening the party. People's comments, see, there are some people who will always not be happy. There will be some people who will have a different opinion. But there is the larger thread which runs, which brings everyone together, because we have one common mission, one common goal: get the BJP out of Goa in the nation.
So you mean to say Amit Patkar was failed to bring all together?
Pardon?
You mean to say the Amit Patkar was failed?
See, I think he could have done something more. I think he could have tried a little harder to attract more people and get them back. And since we are seeing this flight of people coming back into our basket, to use this word, then I think that that would be an indication that there should have been a little stronger and harder effort to bring
That he has not done.
that he should have done to bring it.
So now your party workers are happy, you mean to say?
See, I speak for myself, and I speak for a large number of
So
party
for yourself
workers.
you are happy?
I speak for a large number of party workers, and I think that that should suffice.
So now the